Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to get Instagram notes. First of all, open the Instagram app. After getting into the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. It will take you directly to the Instagram settings. From here, click on the search bar. Search for switch to a professional account. Now click on continue to switch your account. When you have completed that process, simply close your Instagram app and then reopen it. Now go back to your profile and then click on settings. Again, tap on the search bar and search for professional account. Then tap on switch to a professional account. After that, click on continue and then select what describes you the best. Choose the artist option as an example from here. Then you can turn on the display on the profile badge. Leave the creator badge on and tap on continue. Now go back to settings and go into creative tools and controls. Again, click on switch account type and choose to switch to a professional account. Then go into your DMs and now you'll be able to see your notes here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your comments or questions down below.